Chapter 1. The Dream Begins.
Max was a boy who loved quiet places. He lived in a noisy neighborhood. There were many old things near his house: broken cars, old bikes, old televisions. Max liked these things. He saw something special in them. Max was often alone. He had no friends to play with. But Max had a big secret. He loved machines. He loved spare parts. He loved screws. He loved to invent. Max always dreamed of building something special. Max had a very big dream. He wanted to build his own robot. Not a small toy robot. A big, strong robot. This robot would be his friend. But this robot would also be a champion. Max wanted to enter his robot in a very special game. The International Robot Battle Championship. Robot Battle Competition. This dream was not easy. Building a robot needs many things. It needs hard work. It needs learning. It needs much time. And it needs money. Max lived with his kind parents and his little sister. They did not have much money. Max loved his family very much.
Chapter 2. Sparks of Hope.
Max walked through the vast, wasted place, seeing only broken clocks, old fans, and rusty pipes. How can I build a robot with no money? He sadly wondered. Then his eyes found a big, old washing machine. It was broken, but deep inside, something a small light glimmered, a tiny spark of hope. Max looked inside the washing machine. He saw a motor. It was old and dirty, but it was a motor. "This is it," Max whispered. "This is the first part for my robot." He carefully took the motor. It was heavy. His heart felt light. He had the first piece of his big dream. Max carried the heavy motor home. His little sister, Lily, saw him. "What is that?" she asked. Max smiled. "It's for my robot." Lily, with kind eyes, wanted to help. "Can I find parts too?" she asked. "Yes, Lily." Max nodded. "You can help." Every day after school, Max and Lily went to the old things. They looked for treasures. They found old wires. They found metal plates. They found many different screws. Lily was good at finding small, shiny things. Max taught her about different parts. This is a gear. This helps things turn.
Chapter 3. Learning and Building.
Building a robot was hard. Max did not know everything. He went to the small library. He found old books about machines. He learned about electricity. He learned about how motors work. He spent many hours reading. Sometimes, Lily would look at the pictures with him. Learning was part of his dream. Weeks passed. In his room, Max cleaned the motor. He connected wires with old tools. Lily watched. One evening, Max added a small battery. He pressed a button. Whir! The motor turned. A light blinked. Max clapped. Lily cheered. A small step, a big moment. Max kept building. The robot took shape. A body of old metal, strong pipe arms, one bright flashlight eye. Max named him Bolt. Bolt wasn't finished, but Max talked to him. "Hello, Bolt. We will win the championship." Bolt was more than a machine. He was becoming a friend. Max made a practice area near the old cars. Bolt needed to be strong. Max trained Bolt with old boxes and metal. Move left. Push. Bolt was slow. He often fell. But Max never gave up. He worked harder, fixing Bolt every time.
Chapter 4. The Championship.
The Robot Battle Championship day was close. Max felt nervous. Bolt was not shiny. He was old parts. But Max believed in Bolt and in himself. His family helped carry Bolt to the bus. "Good luck, Max." "Good luck, Bolt," they hugged. Max and Bolt arrived at the big arena. Many robots were there. They were big and shiny. They looked strong and fast. Max felt small. Bolt looked small too. Other people looked at Bolt. They saw the old parts. They whispered. Max held Bolt's metal arm. "We can do this, Bolt," he said. The battles began. Bolt was strong. Max used his old parts well. Bolt pushed, blocked, and moved. Max controlled him with a small remote. People watched, surprised by Bolt's power and spirit. Bolt fought bravely. He did not win first, but he won third place. Everyone cheered for Max and Bolt. Max stood with Bolt. He had a small prize, but something bigger. His robot, his dream. He was not lonely anymore. Other robot makers came. "Your robot is amazing," they said. Max smiled, telling them about old parts, hard work, and learning.
This is the end of the story. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more English, please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and share this video with your friends. Every like and share helps the channel grow. See you in the next story.